For seniors, running or brisk walking is not the only way to reduce the risk of heart disease. Simply being up and about performing routine activities referred to as daily life movement, including housework, gardening, cooking, and self-care activities like showering, can significantly benefit cardiovascular health. Compared to women with less than 2 hours per day of daily life movement, those women with at least 4 hours of daily life movement had a 43% lower risk of cardiovascular disease, 43% lower risk of coronary heart disease, 30% lower risk of stroke, and notably a 62% lower risk of cardiovascular disease death. Reporting in the Journal of the American Heart Association, a multi-institutional team studied the impact of daily life movement to cardiovascular disease risk. The study demonstrates that all movement counts towards disease prevention. The researcher says that spending more time in daily life movement, which includes a wide range of activities we all do while on our feet and out of our chairs, resulted in a lower risk of cardiovascular disease. Researchers used a machine learning algorithm to classify each minute spent while awake into one of 5 behaviors: sitting in a vehicle, standing still, daily life movement, or walking or running. Daily life movement encompasses activities occurring when standing and walking within a room or patio, such as when getting dressed, preparing meals, or gardening. As part of the Women's Health Initiative Objective Physical Activity and Cardiovascular Health Study, researchers measured the physical activity of nearly 5,416 American women who were aged 63 to 97 and who did not have heart disease at the start of the study. Participants wore a research-grade accelerometer for up to 7 days to get accurate measures of how much time they spend moving and, importantly, the types of common daily life behaviors that result in movement and are not often included in prior studies of light and moderate to vigorous intensity physical activity. Those prior studies typically focused on intensity and duration of activities like running and brisk walking, while the current study measured smaller movements at varying intensity during activities like cooking. Cardiovascular disease continues to be the leading cause of death among both women and men in the United States, with rates highest in adults aged 65 or older. In this study, 616 women were diagnosed with cardiovascular disease, 268 with coronary heart disease, 253 had a stroke, and 331 died of cardiovascular disease.